Welcome to video 21, Advanced Troubleshooting and Call Capture on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. Hi, I'm Dahdi with the Healy Technology Report, and today we're going to have a look at advanced troubleshooting and call capture on the Yeastar S-Series phone system, and specifically capturing IP Ethernet data using the Ethernet capturing tool, and then also the Dahdi capturing tool. That's spelled D-A-H-D-I, and that's for the analog lines on your S-Series if you have those inserted. Before we do, I'm going to invite you to check out our training programs, classroom training programs at healyvoice.ca/training. In addition, if you have a look at our YouTube channel at youtube.com/HealyCanada, we've got tons of great videos on troubleshooting VoIP issues on different products, different phone systems, and please subscribe. Now, without further ado, let's jump in and see how this is done. Okay, so we're going to have a look at packet captures. Now, to do that, we're going to go to Maintenance and to Troubleshooting and to Ethernet capture. Now, port 5060 is the standard port. Most likely that's what you're going to need. The IP address, usually we use the VoIP provider's IP address because we're most of the time we're going to look at traffic between the PBX and the VoIP provider. So we're going to start, and we're going to place a test call here. Okay, and we might actually get a failed call. This is off to a cell phone, and the cell phone has rejected the call. So we're going to answer that anyways. Wait a couple seconds, and then we'll terminate the call. So that was a bit of a problem call in that I expected it to ring on my mobile phone, and it did not. It got forwarded to my desk phone, and so probably we're sitting at just after 5 o'clock here, so probably the mobile network is busy, and so the call got rejected by the mobile network. Okay, so we're going to save. This is a tar file. It's like a zip file, and we're going to open that up. And there's my tar file. So we're going to use a program called 7-zip and extract that. So here's my pcap. Now you need a program called Wireshark, and you can find it at wireshark.org. This is open. This is doesn't have a cost to it, so you can download it and use it. Once we've downloaded and used and installed it, we can then open up the pcap file. And so this is the call. Normally you'd see a lot more data here. We can go under telephony and VoIP calls. That's going to show us a list of all the calls. Now, normally, again, this traffic would be a lot more, there'd be a lot more things going on. But you can see we have a single call here, duration 31 seconds, and we can have a look at select that and look at the flow sequence. And the flow sequence will show us all the handshaking that goes on between the PBX and the VoIP provider. So you can see here, invite for the call, it's trying, it's unauthorized, so it has to send it again with the appropriate authorization, session in progress, and then the call is ended. Now we can have a look at any one of these packets here. It's when I select a particular one, let's close some of these windows, it's going to select it in this main list of all the packets. So we can have a look at that. Here's the session initialization protocol packet. We can look at the session description protocol, or SDP. You can see in here the different codecs that have been offered. Sometimes when there's an issue, it's because there's a mismatch in the codecs that are offered and the ones that can be used. That might be an issue. And then IP addresses are also quite often an issue. So that's how you troubleshoot using Wireshark and packet captures with Yeastar S-Series. All right, we're going to have a look at troubleshooting the analog port. So we're back to maintenance here, then troubleshooting, port monitor tool, and so it'll ask us which port we want to troubleshoot. So we're going to start, and then we're going to generate this call here. So there we have a call. Answer the call and hang it up, and then we can stop and download this call. So it's going to generate a tar file here again, and we're going to open up that tar file using something called 7-zip, and you can Google that to download it and install it. Now if we open it up, you can see 4 files here. The raw files, this is the receive and the transmit on separate files, so audio. And then on these guys here, I'm using another program I really like called Notepad++. Many of you are probably familiar with it. You can see here channel 1 is all that says in there, and then in this guy, we only have the PBX and the auto provisioning. So that was video 21, advanced call troubleshooting and call capture on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. In video 22, we're going to have a look at how to use and configure feature codes and star codes on the Yeastar S-Series phone system. So you'll find video 22 on our YouTube channel, and that's at youtube.com/HeliaCanada. In addition, when you're there, please subscribe. We really appreciate when you subscribe, and as we have new content, you'll get notified of that new content. In addition, we've got a coupon at the end of the video for you at our online store, buyphonesonline.ca, and there's just a terrific amount of different phones that are supported, products that are supported by the Yeastar phone system, and much, much more. I'm Zook with the Healy Technology Report. Thanks for watching.